Hello students, welcome to EduRev. Have you ever taken a road trip from a high rocky hill to a wide flat field and noticed how the land keeps changing? Those different shapes of land are called landforms. And today we will meet three of them: mountains, plateaus, and plains. Imagine land as different kinds of furniture in a big room. Mountains are like tall chairs with sharp backs. Plateaus are like tables with flat tops, and plains are like wide rugs that spread out on the floor. A landform is any natural shape we see on Earth's surface, and it changes very slowly over millions of years. First, mountains. Mountains are much higher than the land around them, with steep sides and a pointed top. Some mountains wear snow caps, which feed rivers when the snow melts in warmer months. Many mountains form long chains called ranges, like the Himalayas, the Alps, and the Andes. Young mountains like the Himalayas are tall and sharp, while older mountains like the Aravalli are lower and rounded because wind and rain have worn them down. On mountain slopes, we find special forests called montane forests, full of cone-shaped trees like pines and deodars. Higher up, the trees disappear, and small plants like moss and lichen take their place. Animals such as snow leopards, yaks, and golden eagles live in different mountain zones, each suited to a certain height and weather. People in mountains grow crops in narrow valleys or use terrace farming, which looks like steps cut into the hill. Herding animals and tourism, like trekking and skiing, are common ways people earn a living in the mountains. Next, plateaus. A plateau is a flat area that stands higher than the land around it. Like a big table, the Tibetan Plateau is very high and is called the roof of the world, while the Deccan Plateau is an old, large plateau in India. Many plateaus have useful minerals, so people mine for coal, iron, and other rocks there. Some plateaus have rich soil if they were made by lava long ago, and they can also have beautiful waterfalls at their edges. Finally, plains are wide, flat lands, usually low in height. Rivers bring tiny bits of soil called sediments from the mountains down to the plains, making the soil very fertile. Because of this, plains like the Ganga Plain grow lots of food crops such as rice, wheat, and maize. Many people live in plains because farming is easier there, and rivers also help people travel and fish. So, what do we learn from this? Landforms, mountains, plateaus, and plains shape the way people live, the plants and animals that survive there, and how we use the land. Let us quickly remember: mountains are high with steep sides, plateaus are flat tops that stand tall, and plains are large flat lands good for farming. Mountains have special forests and animals. Plateaus often have minerals and waterfalls, and plains have rich soil for crops. In mountains, people make terraces that look like big staircases, so water does not run away from their crops. But mountains can also be risky, with landslides or avalanches after heavy rain or rapid snow melting. So people must be careful. People like Bachendri Pal and Arunima Sinha showed great courage by climbing high peaks, reminding us that with training and care, we can do brave things. Now go on a little discovery walk and try to draw or label a mountain, a plateau, and a plain from memory. Thank you for listening. You did great. Keep exploring maps around your town and see which landforms you can spot near you at school or on trips.